my babies, welcome back to my channel. It's the first time talking about you, absolutely welcome. Today I'm bringing you a hair installation. It's been months and now I'm back. Today we're working with Tinashe Hair and they sent me their Brazilian curly hair. I made this hair into a wig, it didn't come as a wig, and I had to bleach the knots and pluck them as well. So yes, let's get right into this. First thing I'm doing is, putting some dots on my forehead or the lace, and trust me, these dots are transferring onto my forehead, and it's for a reason. It's for installation purposes. Now I'm gonna cut the lace. I'm not cutting the lace off, I'm just cutting, making like slits through the lace, and you know why in a sec. It's time for the gluing. Yes, I'm using the yellow got to be glued just because the black one doesn't work for me anymore. That black one is actually not a glue for installation. It's for styling, just in case you're wondering. So if you want your hair to sit tight in place, girl, you need to use this yellow one. Now I know I look bald. I know. I'm protecting the edges I don't have, but you have to protect the edges or your hair, whatever. So I'm wearing a bald cap. Just in case you're wondering. So now I put the first layer of glue on the bald cap already. Now I dried it. I made it dry, like really dry, and then I went ahead to put the second layer, and this part you have to make tacky. Okay, you have to leave it tacky. That's what I'm doing. I'm checking for the tackiness. Now it's time to actually use this spray. It's very important. Don't ask me why. It is very important. It's a free spray. It actually helps it to sit in place. And also something you guys need to consider, if you want your hair to actually stay for a longer time, make sure it's tacky first of all, and also make sure that the width of your application part is actually wide. When you apply on a very small, when you apply your glue on a very small section, it holds only that section. So apply on a wider section, it helps a lot. And also when you're putting your hair down, please do not use your hand to press on the lace. Use the comb. It helps a lot for the hair to stay up and not stick to the lace, and this will help a lot when it comes to styling the hair. Now that everything is in place, you've done one side, you need to do the other side, baby girl. So go ahead and do the other side and make sure everything is sitting in place. Scrub it. Okay, scrub this baby. Okay, now we're gonna have to cut. This is actual cutting part. Now I see some people cutting the lace before they actually install. My reasons for not doing that is because you can't really adjust properly. The lace helps you to pull your hair forward, pull it backwards, all these things, when you're placing it on your head or installing it. So you cutting off the lace before you install the hair is not exactly so helpful, especially if you're a beginner. So this will definitely help you a lot. Now as you're cutting it, you'll see me doing little chops. That helps it to look very natural, because if you just take it all the way straight down, that straight cut is very unnatural, and you don't want an unnatural look. Okay, girl, you want something that looks very natural. So you just want to do snap, 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 snap. You know what I mean? Just keep snapping, snap, 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 and it makes it look very natural. That's a zigzag. It actually gives that zigzag cut to the look, and it makes everything look on point. Okay, I don't know, my camera went off when I was about to show you guys how to cut off the ear section, but I'm really sorry. Now I was just wiping off all the white residue from my glue or whatever, and I'm using a wet napkin, a damp napkin actually. Please don't over scrub this so it doesn't pull the hair off. So yeah, now it's actually looking a bit gray, and this is where another step comes into place. So when you're done, wiping, you can just go ahead and grab your foundation brush or your stippling brush, whatever you call it. Put your foundation on it and, stipple it into your skin, and you can see how gorgeous this lace looks on my skin. Now it's time for the baby hairs. Guys, I struggle. I don't know how to do baby hairs to save my life, but I've adopted some techniques that have helped, and that is one, using a razor blade for your brows to do this. So, and also you have to use a hair mousse. You don't have to, you could use a hair mousse. Make sure the hair mousse doesn't have alcohol. If not, your lace is going to lift. Like you can see there, my lace was lifting, and that is the lace check. You need to check your lace, make sure no part is lifting, and don't use the spray to set it back. Use the glue, because the glue helps. I know in my previous video, my first video on installations, I told you guys to use the spray instead, but I'd rather use the glue because it helps to actually make it look more natural. Now I'm just using the mousse to just play around and just put my hair in place and all of that, and we're still doing the baby hairs because I told you guys we struggle here, we struggle on this channel. So I'm really struggling again to continue doing my baby hairs, and all you just want to do are swoop. Use a hard brush, don't use a soft brush, because if you use a soft brush it can't control these baby hairs, baby girl. Okay, so I got tired of actually using the brush section and I started using the comb section, which brings us to the part that you can actually use your comb to do your baby hairs. Now my baby hairs were not really sitting in place, so a technique or something you can actually do is put your glue on top of that while you're doing your baby hairs, and it actually helps you to mold your baby hairs in place, and they will not move as you're molding them. They'll just literally stay as you put them, which is amazing. But I'd say definitely do that part after you're done using like the hair mousse to carve out your baby hairs to start with. Okay, now I'm doing the side bones, and I'm doing this helps you not to do a straight razor cut, because when you do a straight razor cut it just looks very weird, it just doesn't look natural. And now you can see how natural that would look in a sec, baby girl. That is what I'm doing. It helps a lot, and I love my baby hairs. I love my side bones that I don't naturally have. God help me. Anyways, let's keep going, girl. Now if you're not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Hit that subscribe button. Don't just hit the button, also hit the post notification bell down below, okay girl, because I love you and I know you love me too. Okay, let's keep going. Now I'm still struggling. I think you guys just watch me struggle, because like I feel like you even spend more time struggling with baby hairs if you're a beginner. Girl, you need to have patience. Now we have to do some dancing, some shaku, some moves, you know what I mean? Now I'm just using some of the hair mousse to just this is the hardest part, to put my hair in place. But then this I regret buying this iron. Like, don't buy this hot comb, do not buy it. It's going to mess up your head, like it will actually burn you. Don't. You can get one that's smaller if you find one that's smaller. If I could, I would get one that's smaller, but yeah, don't get that big one. Thank you very much. I hope you take my advice, and don't burn yourself, girl. But look how natural that looks. Honestly, I'd say this lace is not the lightest lace I've used. I mean, this is not a HD wig, it is just a wig, it's just a hair, like it's just frontal. It's not the HD one where you can't see the knots. That's why you have to like bleach your knots and all those things. So definitely know that you have to do a little bit tweaking to this hair when you get it. Don't expect it to be perfect, but then with time, when you install it, it just looks natural. You can see at first I was really skeptical when I was like wearing this wig. I was like, yo, I don't know if this is going to look natural, but girl, it did, and it still does, because I'm wearing it right now. I'm wearing the hair. I've been wearing it for a whole week, and girl, I have not needed to take out this hair, like not once. I have not taken it out. It's still looking fresh and new. Like, you'd come close to me and be wondering if that's my real hair. Now we're styling, baby girl. We are styling, and I know my girls out there, you guys have trouble styling curly hair. I have trouble styling curly hair as well. Like, all I can do is just do a center part, do a side part, but sometimes just pack it up, you know what I mean? Oh girl, I saw that move. Okay, so now I'm actually going to hold down the front section, because we need to keep it laid. It needs to look silky. Now, as you can see, I'm obviously checking to make sure that no part is lifting, and I actually tried using the spray. It kind of helped, but you could actually just use the glue. But then let's keep going. Now I'm just holding it down, and nothing more, nothing serious. When you hold it down, girl, you just have to tie it around and hope for the best. Hope that when you pull it up, it's not gonna pull the entire wig out. But girl, if you use a silky scarf like what I'm using, it's not moving. When you're taking out the scarf is coming off on its own, girl. It's not pulling nothing. So definitely get your hands on a silky scarf. Mine is looking a bit tacky, because like I used it earlier on to install a different wig, so bear with me please. Now it's time to actually bring out the curls in this hair, and girl, I'm using some water. I'm using just water. Do not use too many products on your hair. It's going to make it look very scruffy. Now I just put my fingers through the hair, just to comb out all the tangles or whatever it might be going through the hair. And because I plucked the front, so obviously there might be some loose strands lingering around, you want to bring those strands out. And now you just want to use your fingers that God gave you, and then use some water that God gave you too, girl, and mingle your fingers through this thing. And but then if the thing is not coiling very well like you expect, girl, there are some brushes that bring out coils, you know what I mean? Make sure you get those brushes out. I probably have like pictures of those brushes somewhere on my screen. And I got this spray. This just helps my hair to shine, and then it just not just adding the shine, it also makes it look smell good, so definitely get hands on a moisturizing spray, and just spritz through the hair, and make sure your hair is looking shiny, babe. Shiny, yeah. And these curls are actually tighter than I thought. They are so tight, girl. I think if you're looking for something really, really tight, like curls are really tight. Oh, I'm revealing. Oh, girl, can you see that, girl? I'm feeling myself, girl. Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, when you're getting curly hair, please, if you're looking for something like, say, like shoulder length, bum length, all these things, like, know that curly hair and straight hair are different when it comes to lengths. Like curly hair, obviously, it pretty much eats up the hair when it's coiled up, so you won't know the exact length. So if you're trying to get, let's say, 18 inches, reach out for 20 inches or 22 inches instead, baby girl, because like that would give you a better length of for what you want exactly, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna end this voice note here. Hope you enjoyed yourself, hope you had the best time watching this video, and I hope it helped you. If you're a beginner, even if you're not a beginner, I hope it helped you. Make sure you check out my other videos I do. This is a lifestyle channel. It's not just a hair channel or makeup channel. I do makeup as well, girl. So if you're looking for peg makeup, definitely check my channel. If you're looking for how to cook tortillas, girl, I am bringing more videos on how to cook. And also, if you're looking for videos about Christ, Jesus Christ, my Jesus, check my videos, girl. I got you. Okay, I'm gonna say bye now because I've been talking for like hours. Yo, how long is this flipping video? Okay, cool. I think I'm gonna leave you guys right now. Yeah, we're just oh yes, I almost forgot. You know what I'm doing right now? I'm actually using my spritz spray to hold my hair back in place, because when you spray the spritz spray on the hair, ooh, tongue twister, and then you like use the hair dryer, it dries it, and then your hair stays in that position. Girl, this is tricks for life. You need this. You better use this to style your hair. It's amazing. Okay, I'm gonna leave now. Thank you so much, Tinashe Hair. I love working with you guys. Thank you so much, and I'm enjoying this hair right now. Thank you, and yes, guys, I'll see you in my next video. I don't know what it's gonna be about. Probably about something different from hair, but if it's about hair, ciao. If it's not about hair, ciao. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah. Now, I almost forgot. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms, and hey, don't forget to click the like button, or even comment down below what video you want to see next, because you might be the next person to be shouted out. Today's shout out goes to okay, ciao guys, I love you.
Have you ever had a dreams that you could do you could do so